I'm just going to show you the Rukshasan. Rukshasan is a much more balancing pose. It challenges your legs. So it will strengthen your knee joints also along with that and the thigh muscles. So let's go with the basic first and then we'll go with the exact Rukshasan, what you need to do it. So I'm showing you the preparation part. Okay. Yeah. So first of all, balancing on one leg, it becomes a bit tough. So we'll start with one leg, keeping the leg straight in this position. Hold it for 10 seconds and then hold it in this way for 10 seconds. And apart from that, you can go side to side and in this position. So you need to do it 10 seconds each side and then you can go piche, holding it like this, balance in this position. Okay, now we can do a Krishna pose first, keeping the body straight. Okay, now the right leg will go straight and then fold it here. Okay, and then you will be taking this hand in and this hand you have to balance. And in this way, you will be doing the Krishna pose. Okay, Krishna pose. From Krishna pose we can try to get the legs more up, and once you're comfortable here for 30 seconds you can keep it down. Okay, now again same thing you can do with the other side, taking the left leg straight up, do the Krishna pose and get the left hand here, right hand you will be doing the Ashirvad and try to do this balancing pose. After this you can keep the legs up, try to balance and then good. So once we're done with this, then we can go the next level, that is keeping the legs normal like this. Hold it for 10 seconds. This way you can do it for 10 seconds. Then you can further go above the knee for 10 seconds. Keeping it down, this for 10 seconds. So once you're done with this perfection for 10 seconds, then you can go further, holding it here and just keep the legs in this position. Then you can leave it. Again, you can hold, leave the hands, and come back. Same we are going to do with this side. Keep the body absolutely straight. Then you can keep the hands like this. Again, you can hold it and release the hand slowly. Once you're done with this practice, then you can do the Tolasana pose, keeping the hands in this way. You need to master this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, relax. Same we are going to do with the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then relax yourself. And then we go with the proper Vrukshasana, keeping the legs, hold it, balance your body. And then you can do Namaskar. And from here, we'll be going straight up, keeping the body absolutely straight. Now look in front of you, gaze at a single point. Then slowly down, keep the hands down, relax and relax for a while. Again, we'll be doing with the other side, keeping the body straight, keeping the legs, place it properly, then the hands here, be comfortable, then the Namaskar Mudra. Slowly, you can raise the hand up, look at a single point in front of you. Release the asana, keep the hands again down and Dandasthiti Vishranti.